Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a passcode on your Ford Fusion. First, you'll need to find your vehicle's factory 5-digit keyless entry code. This is essential for programming your own custom code. Once you have that, we'll walk through the simple steps to enter your desired personal code using the door keypad. Finally, we'll confirm that your new code is working correctly, giving you easy access to your car. Finding your factory code is usually straightforward. Begin by checking your owner's manual. It often has the 5-digit code printed inside. If not, open the driver's side door and look for a sticker on the door jamb near the latch. Many Ford Fusions also have this code printed on a white sticker located on the Smart Junction box, which is typically behind the passenger kick panel. It's a quick search. Now let's program your custom code. First, enter the factory 5-digit code you just found. After entering the last digit, you must press the last two buttons on the keypad, the 9 and 0 buttons, within 5 seconds. This action tells the system you're ready to input a new code. Immediately after pressing 9 and 0, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. Choose something easy for you to remember. It's time to test your new code. Lock your car doors, then try entering your newly programmed 5-digit code. The doors should unlock, confirming your code is active. Remember, your original factory code will still work as a reliable backup, so you have 2 ways to access your vehicle. And speaking of making things easy, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your new Ford Fusion passcode.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.